Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson number 6. This is part 6 of our lesson and we will proceed from here. And in this video we are going to learn about WordPress dashboard and its overview. So in WordPress dashboard we are going to learn a brief about the WordPress journey dashboard and showing you what are in the item menu. So what we expect here in this lesson is to learn menu item. I forgot to tell you, this is your trainer Masco once again, and you will be with me along this lesson. Now, what we are expected to learn in the WordPress dashboard. WordPress dashboard is just a design dashboard where you will be controlling your website from. So we are expected to learn menu items, whereby we will tackle posts, okay, post items, pages item, media item, appearances, plugins, and settings. So all these are in the menu item. So I am glad now this level, if you are in this level, it means at least now you are coming close to understanding how to use CMS WordPress, and that is also one way to understand how to make websites and to be able to earn some money and to be able to be called professional, where you will be able to be making websites and uploading websites online and launching websites online so that they can work very well for everyone. So let us proceed with our work. So the class of today is just to take you through the WordPress interface. So now in this interface, we are going to open where we left yesterday, and we left yesterday here after installing XAMPP and installing WordPress, and this was our landing point. Now in this landing point here, I just want to show you the dashboard, and these are the menu items. Along showing you, there are things that I need you also to do. I will be deleting some things. Now in this menu item, if we decide now to open our website, we want to see our website, how it looks. Now if you are in the dashboard, you see we have localhost / construction, which is our database name, WP admin. It means if you see WP admin, just know that you are in the database dashboard area, okay, where the admin has all full control. Okay, now for us to see how our website look, we will note now we will only cut this address, localhost construction, so that we can view it on the browser. We will copy that and open another tab and paste it there so that we can see how our website looks. And this is our website. You look at how it is. This is our website, okay? And any change we make in the dashboard will reflect here. Now let us go through the dashboard items to understand how the dashboard works, and I will explain the menu items and the functionality, and also be deleting some of the items. So coming back to the dashboard, we have this area here called post. We have homepage. Home means this is the dashboard homepage. When you click homepage of the dashboard, it takes you back to this area. So we have post. This post contain all the blog posts that are on your website, and you can see all the posts. If you click it here, we can be able to see all the posts. Right now we have a post called Hello World. If we come to our browser website now, we can see Hello World. Okay, now we don't need it because we want to start a website from scratch. We will just click here. We'll just click this radio button here and click the arrow here and move it to trash, because we don't need it. We need a clean area because we need to start our website from scratch. Then I will delete it, just apply, and it is deleted. Upon deleting it, because I don't want it to the trash to have more space, so I will go to trash again and delete it. It's like you have a dustbin at home. So when all the dust, you put them in a dustbin, and again inside the dustbin we need to free the dustbin. Now here we are freeing the dustbin so that the dustbin can be cleared. So I will delete it permanently and apply permanently, and it is deleted. You will come here and notice some changes if we refresh the page. So let us refresh the page, and you will notice there is some changes here. Sorry, but nothing was found. Please, because we deleted the page. So now you understand, those are the blogs. Okay, now if you are here, the blogs are just, if you view some of the website, you will see some areas with blogs, and like for example, I can go to this website here called Youth Voices. Voices Community. Yeah, we have a website here called Youth Voices Community. Let's see if we can get it. Youth Voices Community. Here it is. So if you come to this website called Youth Voices Community, Youth Voices Community is an organization in Nairobi dealing with the refugees and the host community, and they are actually empowering communities by supporting the refugees and the host community. They are in Nairobi, Kenya, and actually currently they have they are growing and they are widening their roots. So I'm waiting for the website to respond. Think the HTTP is sending request very slow, but it will be there, so I will wait for it to come. So let us go back to our website as we wait for Youth Voices to load. So here we now have removed the blog, and if we go back to, I don't know if it is ready, going to be ready, just a minute. Now here we've removed the blog, and the next thing, not yet, so the next thing that we want to see is add post. If you click on the button add post, you will be able to create a new blog, which I'm going to show you from the page that is loading. Most of the time you will get the blog post in the website, organizational website, new websites, news websites, and also organizations that are dealing with information. So they do this because at least you can get the updated news from the blog post. In case something happens, anything that is posted on the Facebook, Instagram, and on other social media, if you miss them on the social media, you can still get them on the website blog. Okay, so this is Youth Voices still loading. Now let us go add post and categories. Then we have media. If you come to media here, this is now where all your images and videos will be saved. Okay, so when you use videos and images, all the videos will be saved here, and you can be able to get them from the media panel here. Okay, whereby you can view the library of the images, add media libraries, and etc. So again, another thing down here, we have pages. Very important part on your website. Pages, these are just web links. Okay, if you are here, you can see we only have one page called sample page, which is the page. If we go to Safaricom website, Safaricom, let us go to Safaricom website. Here we have Safaricom. I think it's what is the extension of Safaricom? .co.ke. Let me think so. Safaricom.co. We have it here. Yeah, let me load it and load this again. The Safaricom website is here. So these are the pages. What you see, Safaricom is a network provider, and I don't know how to say about Safaricom is one of the mobile subscribers and mobile network providers in Kenya, and we use it. And Safaricom here, this is safaricom.com. They have the extension .co.ke. So Safaricom website, this is Safaricom website, and is this simple, very precise when it comes to color, and very simple. They always do their things very simple. So this is what we called these are links. Links are just routes that take you to other pages. Just imagine you have a book, and this book has pages, and in each page there is something that is written differently. Each page has its own content. So it's like a website is just like a book where each page holds a different content. So this page is homepage. What is homepage? Homepage is the first page that appears when you click on a website. Then this is discover. From here now you can do as you wish according to the content that you have. Okay, now these are the pages. Now let us go back and visit the pages menu item. So here we have privacy policy, and you have sample page. As I've shown you, we have sample page here. Now we want to delete it because we will be starting this website from scratch. I want to delete sample page and privacy, so I will click on this so that it clicks both of them, and I want to move to trash, apply. I told you we have also to clear the trash. Okay, also click the trash, and these are what as in our dustbin. We still have this because we dump them in the dustbin, but also in the dustbin we need to make things clear. So we will delete permanently and apply. So upon deleting permanently, I think this HTTP, after deleting it permanently, then we go to view our website. If we refresh, you will get this one will disappear and this one will disappear. And remember, we have our logo here because when we were installing WordPress, the WordPress takes the name of the website as the logo so that you can change it later. So I will refresh to see the changes. You can notice we don't have the page anymore because we deleted it. So if you delete the page, it will disappear. So now we then have you can be able to see all pages if you click on here, but we don't have any page right now, and we will create page. Now the comments, here is where now you get your comments. Maybe on your website when people are talking, people are giving you comments, and maybe there is a conversation in the community panel of your website, then you'll be able to see them from this end. Okay, when you click on here, you will be able to see the conversation. Right now there is no comment, there is no conversation, we still have zero conversation. Okay, that is now what tells you the work of the dashboard. You as an admin, you have the full control of how to control your website. This is what people will see on the internet. Okay, and this is what you will see. What you will see here is different from what people will see. This is the front end, and the front end is also referred to as user interface. What you see on your mobile is called user interface. What you see on the computer, those are user interfaces. But on the back end here, we have the admin control panel. People will not be able to see this part, dashboard, because dashboard is only for the administrative controls. Okay, so let's continue. We don't have any comment. Now here in appearance also is a very, very big and crucial great items to be used. So in appearance here, this is where now we get more tools. You can be able to download your theme and be able to understand your theme. A theme is just a design template. Okay, theme is just a design template. Maybe you don't still understand what is a theme. Assume you have you want to buy a house, okay, and you are shown different designs of houses. So it's upon you to choose the design that you want. Also, on the internet, we have what is called theme. Themes are just faces and designs of websites that are ready-made. So it's upon you to buy, to choose which theme you want to use, then customize the theme as and to your look, the way you want the theme to look. So themes are just design, and we will tackle that. So also in appearance, we have edit. You can edit your theme and make changes. We have plugins. Plugins are just extensions. Let me show you, like in Safaricom. In this Safaricom page, for example, if we go to, I don't know if they have theme. Let us discover, let us go down. This is one pager. Let's see. This is one pager. I think this is this page was made with how do you call it, React. I think this is a React. It was made with React, or if it is not React, maybe it was made with, we can inspect and confirm, but they mostly do their websites from naked codes. They start from zero. So we are looking for a theme. I don't know. They don't have a theme. They don't have a theme. Let's see. Sign in. So this can be a theme. Okay, this can be a theme. It's just something that is ready. You don't have to make this pop up here. You don't have to make it here. No, this one is not a theme. Sorry, this is the theme. The website here is the theme. Okay, what you see is the website here is the theme. Then now the plugin, let me show you something. Sorry, the plugin is just something that is ready-made. This can be a plugin. For example, you don't have to make this from the codes. Okay, as we said in our third video that CMS helps you create a website very easy, and WordPress will help you create CMS. This website was not created by WordPress, so we can see this one here can be a plugin because you don't make it from scratch. You just download it from somewhere and use it. What you need to do is just to customize changes, make your changes be there. You remove this, put yours, remove the text, put yours. Those are the extensions. Those are the plugins, something that will extend functionality in your website. So let us go back here. We have user. This is where you control and you add users. If you want somebody to help you build this website, you can also add them here. Okay, you can also add user. You click add user here, and after clicking add user, you can give them username. You can insert their email addresses, insert their email, first name, last name, website, and create a password for them and generate password, then send them the details so that at their backend they can be able to help you design the website. So as per now, we only have one user, which is me, from the time we created this, and I am the administrator. You can also give others roles by editing here. You can give it you can change the colors. Okay, this is the dashboard color. You can give the dashboard color to be that color. You can see now this is not what people will see at the back end, but this is what you as a person will be able to see. So which color is good for the, why don't we use a unique color that is too whitish, bluish? No, ocean, this one. No, let us just use the default color. Inside here you can be able to change the keyboard shortcuts, toolbar, language. If you thought you selected wrong language when you are installing WordPress, you can change it from here. The username is Masco. First name, you can put your first name, second name, and displayed name. That is it. And also website is running on the local host on the computer. On the localhost, this is the localhost address. This is HTTP. We don't have security. Localhost construction and biography of me here. So I don't want to do all that. Then I can add user and profile. Down here we have tools, and also you can be able to use WordPress tools and be able to do we have export of the website. We have to import some of the items, site health, if your site health is good. So this is just the tools to help you actually see availability and importing, exporting your website to another machine or to the localhost folder. Here in setting, this is where now you will need to do your own setting. We have general setting, and this is very important because most of the people don't understand how to do setting. This setting is just for website configuration. When you are inside the setting, you can configure your website. I don't want to go into all this. You can do permalink, general, writing, reading, discussion. If I go to permalink here, there is something that we need to change. Just click permalink, and here permalink structure. So we don't want, you see the way this address is, so localhost construction /. So the pages will be, when we click on the next page, it will be making the page through these names, these dates, okay? But we don't want that. Always used post name, okay? Post name means website page name. For example, if you have a page called gallery, it will be localhost gallery, localhost construction gallery, localhost construction about us, localhost. But with these ones, it will give you numbers. It will be localhost construction page number 123, page number 124. So we don't want that. We want it to use post name. So after changing that, just click OK. And now that is done, and that is how to set your dashboard. And for the dashboard, we only needed to know post items, media item, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, user, tools, and settings. That will help us understand this interface. And also, shortcut to go straight to viewing your website is just to ensure that if you are here, you just click visit site, and you will be able to see how your site look like. Okay, now that is now how the WordPress, you can just click there and go back to your WordPress, and this is our dashboard, how it looks. And now we are going to install our theme, because the theme that we currently have is this. This is the theme. And what is the name of the theme? We will go to appearance, click the themes. We want to see the design that we are using currently. And if you install WordPress, we always have 3 default themes that will come when you install WordPress. We have 2025, 2024, and 2023. These are default websites. But in the next video, as we are going to install our next theme, we will remove all these themes. On your local machine, go to your localhost, local disk C, go to XAMPP, go to htdoc, go to how do you call it, htdoc. Then we have our website construction here. Okay, this is the folder containing all the data that are in our website. So click on it, and if you get into the content here, you will be able to see the themes that we are using. We don't have plugin, we have themes. So we have 2025, 2024, and 2023. If you come here we will see them, but we will remove them and we will install a new theme in our next video. So thank you very much for watching, and let's see you in the next video as we now jump to setting our first theme. Bye.